Now, when it comes to applying decals on your models, there's two standard products that most people know about. You have Microsol and Microset. Microsol is a decal solvent, which is meant to soften the decals so they can form over details for a painted on look, as it says on the bottle here. Microset is different. This is what you apply before the decal. This you apply after. And Microset is meant to help with decal adhesion to the model. Now, there's lots of controversy in our hobby that Microset is simply vinegar that's been rebottled at a higher price and sold to us. Now, you can do some research into this online and find the Microscale Industries Microset material safety data sheet, which might explain that this is simply an acetic acid solution, which is just vinegar. Or you can do what we're doing today, and you can do a science experiment, and we can see if we can pickle something with a bunch of Microset if it indeed is vinegar. So let's give that a shot. So to start, I need 1.5 cups or 12 bottles of Microset. This will be our vinegar stand-in. Now, generally you would do a 1-to-1 ratio of water and vinegar, but since this is a little different concentration than household vinegar, I'm actually going to do 1.5 cups of Microset, and I'm going to do 1/2 cup of water. Now, after having 1.5 cups of Microset, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water, and I have 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add some cinnamon sticks for flavor. All right, so with our mixture coming to a boil here, I've prepared a mason jar, and I've got some cucumbers here. So we'll put these inside. I've also got 2 crushed cloves of garlic, which will give us some more flavor. And now we can transfer this into the mason jar here, leaving a little bit of space at the top, and then we'll put it in the fridge for 2 days. All right, it looks pretty good. We got some space at the top, everything is submerged. And now put the lid on and crank it down as tight as we can. And this goes in the fridge for about 48 hours. All right, it is now the moment of truth. I'm gonna see if this actually did work. And this would be the ideal moment to use the ammo brass toothpicks, but they're not exactly long enough to get in here. Let's see how this worked out. Yeah, it worked. So this definitely comes with a don't try this at home warning, because I don't want anyone to try this and die and me to get sued. But if I don't die, you will see a video from me on Saturday, which is April 6th, which will be the actual video for the month of April. This was kind of my April Fool's Day joke for this year. So as always, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.